right now we are on the way after taking petrol to Newtown. Throttle Shuttle, it's a biker cafe. If you have been there, I've seen some vlogs and I thought, why not check it out myself. GoPro is on and I'm as usual recording separately on the phone. The sky is looking so nice here, and I will be vlogging on the way, and I will be vlogging on the way to Throttle Shuttle. It's approximately 21 kilometers from where we are, and I will also be vlogging from inside the cafe. So basically this is a Sunday ride. The lockdown has all of us feeling pretty frustrated, and going out and breathing some fresh air is a way to unwind. The weather today is very hot and very humid, so while I'm riding I like the wind, it helps me keep cool. I like the wind while riding. It helps me keep cool and helps me dry up the sweat. But when stopping for traffic signal or stopping in traffic, it is very annoying, as the humidity factor is too high. Okay, we are nearing the place. এখান থেকে ডান দিক basically. Remember this landmark from Kia Motors, you turn right and keep turning right, make a circle. এই লেফটটা ধরবো তো? Okay. So far it's a short distance. It's not a little more than 21 kilometers. কি আগে বাঁ দিকটা না এইটা? So we are trying to locate the place. It is exactly not on the main road, I would reckon. So the search is on. We are using Google Maps to help us navigate. Dandige. Oh, we are almost there. That's what the lady in the Google Map is saying. So we are still going on. The road here is not the best, but when you're on Royal Enfield Meteor, oh, here we are here, and I'll stop recording here. Hi guys, so we have reached Throttle Shuttle. The sun is at a different level now. Really can't look at the screen much, so I'll just take a look. So I'll just show you what kind of bikes are parked here. Some classics, some new ones. So here we go. We have one of the older ESD models, Yamaha RX 135, and this one. That's ESD 250 Deluxe. I haven't seen this bike before. So ESD Road King, looks like a ESD biker group has come. That's Thunderbird. Another ESD. So nice to see such a different lot of classic ESD bikes. This is a ESD D250 Classic. Another black ESD D250 Classic. Another D250. Then we have a RTR and another D250, which looks that it has seen its time. And the Meteor here is mine. Okay, let's go inside. Okay guys, so this is the entry to throttle shuttle, and अंदर जाके थोड़ा सा रेस्ट लिया, and phone was hot, so the camera was not functioning. So here we are entering. The pathway is nice, and both ways there is a small water body flowing. Gives you a out of city kind of feel, like आप कहीं village side में घूमने आए हो, and there's a cafe, very rustic feel. Obviously COVID norms. This is the entry, and you can see some swans grazing around, walking around. And here we have a Himalayan. It's a bikers cafe, guys. This is more of an open setup with a food counter, and there's another open setup here with a place where you can go to the first floor and sit. There's a little water body here with some fishes, and you can also obviously sit and have coffee here or anything else. They don't look very friendly, so I'm not going to go right up to them. So there's this hookah bar and a lot of interesting artwork and decor. That way, I guess, is a washroom, and a lot of interesting stickers and number plates, old number plates. The look and feel of this place is very grungy, rustic, a very Texas bar kind of a feel. Look at this bull's horn. We get to see this mostly in movies, right? Movies based in America. And here we are heading close to the main area, main sitting area. Look at this worn down scooter turned into a little garden, and a very nice walking area, a lot of green. I really can't recognize what bike is this, but this really adds to the look and feel of the place. Okay guys, we are inside now, and this is the look of the walls of the cafe. There, so I won't be going there this side, but a really nice place. If you want to come here, it will be mainly for the ambience. Okay guys, this is the Delhi 6 chicken sandwich, the Delhi 6 chicken sandwich. It comes with some potato chips and sauce, and we are waiting for the herb rice and chili chicken. We'll be back when it comes. This is the herb rice with chili chicken. We've also ordered some fresh lime along with it. I'm liking the food so far. The quantity is a bit less, but that will do for now. Hi guys, so we have finished with our lunch, and in short, all I got to say, this is a very nice place to come for a ride, short ride with your friends or family and spend time here. The weather is not helping, but otherwise the experience has been good. The food is good, a little on the expensive side, but you have to remember that you're also paying for the ambience here. Okay, so Throttle Shuttle in Newtown, Rajarhat. We have a little guest here. This is an American iguana. Apparently it can grow up to very large sizes. So guys, we are on our way back, and I'll see you, or rather, so guys, we are on our way back, and overall nice place, pretty nice place. I'm sure in the evenings it will look very lit up, and I'll recommend this place to anybody and everybody who would like to get away from the city's hustle and bustle and like to come here for an experience. Thank you. If you like this vlog, please like and subscribe and keep watching.